Did you know that almonds could be made into bread? Stay tuned and watch this video. And Eli Salome will show you a very simple recipe called almond flour bread. Hello my viewers, welcome to Ezra Wellness, where you learn proven ways to healthy living. My name is Salome Ademako. I'm a nurse by profession. If you want to learn proven ways to healthy living, subscribe to my channel, and when you do, click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my favorite videos. Today I want to show you a very simple recipe, almond flour bread, because on this new way of eating you cannot have regular bread, and I know a lot of people love bread. And this is a very simple recipe that you could do and enjoy your bread once again. So, not wasting much time, let's get right into the kitchen. So here I have with me the almond flour, which is your main ingredient that you're going to use in this recipe. Almond flour could be bought in any of the stores. When you go, just go to the baking section and they have different kinds of flour. Then you will see almond flour. It comes like that. They already made it like this, a flour form, and then you're ready to go. Then you will need your flax seeds. This is 1/4 cup of flax seeds. And then you will need xanthan gum. Xanthan gum is what is going to help to bind the ingredient together. And then you have baking soda. Then sea salt, iodized sea salt to taste. And these are your dry ingredients. When it comes to the wet ingredients, you will have 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 5 eggs that is beat up here, some pasture-raised eggs, and then you have organic apple cider vinegar. Then you have olive oil, then some honey to taste. So now to start, I'm going to add in all my dry ingredients. Then after that, I'll add my wet ingredients. I'm going to post all the ingredients and the step-by-step how to do it underneath the video. So let's go ahead. So I'm adding my flax seeds. Xanthan gum, I need 1/2 teaspoon of that. Baking soda, I need 1/2 teaspoon of that. Then the iodized sea salt is 1/4 teaspoon. Then those are my dry ingredients, and I'll mix them together. So that's my dry ingredients, it's all mixed together. Then I'll prep my pan before I go to the wet ingredients. So this is just a spray, cooking spray to prep the pan and get it ready. So that's how it goes, and I'll put it down. So I'll first put in my apple cider vinegar. You need 1 tablespoon of that. And then 1 tablespoon of my olive oil. Then 1 tablespoon of my honey. Then I have my milk. I add it in there. Then my eggs. So you see the consistency? It's not too watery, neither is it too thick, but it's a way that you could pour it. So now I'm ready to bake it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post all the ingredients underneath the video and just the step how to do it, so that will be very easy to do it. So now I'll pour it into my pan. So this is all set. It will go in the oven. Depending on your kind of oven, you will bake it either 25 to 30 minutes. So I'm going to put it in the oven and I will see you in 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, your bread is all ready. Then you pick a kebab stick and then you stick it in. When it come out, see it's nice and clean. That means your bread is well done. Then you take it out of the pan. You don't let it sit in there because it will get sweaty around it. Then you put it down. So beautiful almond flour bread. You will leave it to sit down for about 5 to 10 minutes before you slice it. Now 10 minutes later, let's see. I slice up my almond bread. This is how it looks like when you slice it. Very nice and moist. See, I have served it here with some avocado. And you could have this for your breakfast. Let me try a piece and let's see how it came out. Yummy, yummy, yum. Really good, nice and moist. And you could eat this for your breakfast. You could eat the almond bread with your salad and it goes very smooth. You know, regular bread is not good for you because it contains lactose and it's also not good for your belly. It promotes big belly, believe it or not. It's called wheat belly. So you want to stay away from it. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it goes because I know it's very simple and you could do it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my favorite videos. Remember, this is Ezra Wellness, where you learn proven ways to healthy living. Thank you.